Difference between nasal polyp and hypertrophied inferior turbinate (HIT). Hypertrophied edematous mucosa of nose and paranasal sinus forming a pedunculated mass called nasal polyp. It is hypertrophy of inferior turbinate. Number 2 cause allergy and infection. HIT cause হলো hidradenitis sinusitis, deviated nasal septum, etc. Number 3 color pale in color. It is pinkish in color. Number 4 probing test. It is soft, mobile, not sensitive to touch, not bleed on touch. It is hard, not mobile, sensitive to touch and bleed on touch. Next হলো treatment. Polypectomy, intranasal polypectomy, ethmoidectomy, intranasal ethmoidectomy, and extranasal ethmoidectomy. Color lac operation for endocrine polyp and functional endoscopic sinus surgery. HIT treatment হলো submucosal diathermy, electrocautery, partial turbinectomy, turbinoplasty. That is all about nasal polyp and hypertrophic inferior turbinate difference.